Back down the other side. Let's get these vocals in.
They finally break.
It's a joke.
Taking up frustrations of the world tonight. There's only so much one can take before they finally break. 9 to 5 a week goes by, I'm not better off at all. Keep a cycle every year until you're in the ground. Is this what a life is supposed to be? Ways of frustration.
Let's pause real quick to do some patching. Let's go ahead and patch the 1170s, both 1176s in serial. So 1176.1 into 1176.2, and then out on the insert on the lead vocal. Cool. All right, so you can pick it up right in that same spot, I guess.
Taking up frustrations of the world tonight. There's only so much one can take before they finally break. 9 to 5 a week goes by, I'm not better off at all. Keep a cycle every year until you're in the ground. Is this what a life is supposed to be? Ways of frustration.
Hold that shot real quick.
Taking up frustrations of the world tonight. There's only so much one can take before they finally break. 9 to 5 a week goes by, I'm not better off at all. Repeat the cycle every year until you're in the ground. This is what a life is supposed to be.
Cool.
Ways of frustration.
That sounds good. I'm into that. We're crushing the vocal. We're doing a pair of 1176s in a row, in serial, as they say. I think these particular OG vintage 1176s sound awesome. They're kind of gritty. But once you get past like 7 dB of gain reduction, they start sounding kind of funky. So we're doing a pair of them together, each cutting about, no more than 7, which actually is kind of a lot in the end. But yeah, it sounds really cool. It's something I've done a bunch. And when I want an aggressive vocal and a rock song, it works really well. So after that, we're gonna use on the double, we're gonna use the retro here.
Oh, let me unmute that.
What's that?
I muted that track.
Was it going the whole time?
Taking up frustrations of the
Oh,
world
never mind.
tonight. There's only so much one can take before they finally break. 9 to 5 a week goes by, I'm not better off at all. Repeat the cycle every year until you're in the ground. This is what a life is supposed to be. Ways of frustration and misery. Spend my time on shaking, trying
Can we loop a
to
spot where there's-
forget.
That double just continues going.
This is what a life is supposed to be. Ways of frustration and misery. fucking around this time. Can't you say, play every final drop? Now there's nothing left. Now that I think I'm through,
Cool.
and all the pain is due.
Gain staging is a little weird on that, but it sounds good. So we're just gonna roll with that. And so we got compression on our vocals, we got compression on everything we need compression on. Guitars sound cool, basic volumes are good. The track sounds okay at the moment. We're gonna do a quick listen to maybe intro, verse, chorus. Actually, we'll do like verse 1, chorus into, I guess let's do verse 2 through chorus 1, because there isn't a chorus till after verse 2. So let's do that.
And my time I'm shaking, trying to forget. Nothing ever falls in place. And you can believe everything that they say. Like everything will be fine anyway. I'll step aside, watch them take you down. This is what life is supposed to be. Waves of frustration and misery. Not fucking around this time. Can't you say, play every final drop? Now there's nothing left. Now that I think I'm through, and all the pain is due. People believe it's true that we'll all be back one day. That we'll all dance. Can leave it up to chance anymore.
Okay. Everything sounds really good. I'm stoked on that right now.